Hello and welcome. I begin in Adobe Fresco on the iPad by creating a document that is 5 inches wide and 7 inches high at 300 ppi. This is a pretty standard size for a greeting card. This will be created using the vector brush for the line work and watercolor brushes for the color painting. I will begin by using the watercolor wash flat from the watercolor brushes in a yellow color. I set the brush size to about 500 because I want large strokes to cover the background. Next, I will use the basic round from the vector category of brushes. I set the size to about 21 and the color to black to draw the flowers. I'll speed up the video a little here so that the video doesn't get too long. If I make a mistake in drawing and want to make a correction, I tap with 2 fingers on the screen. A 3-finger tap will redo. Sometimes, I will use the eraser which is located on the right, just under the brushes. Create a new layer between the black line drawing layer and the yellow background layer by clicking on the plus sign next to the layers. Select a color of your choice for the flowers. I chose a shade of red. With the basic watercolor brush, paint the flowers. Choose a darker shade of the flower color and add a few color variations. create a new layer under the flower layer. Then choose a nice shade of green and paint the leaves. Choose a darker green and add a little shadow near the stem. I decided to add some white dots to the flowers, so I added a layer at the very top and used the same brush, somewhat smaller, to paint the dots. You don't have to add dots, you could add squiggly lines or nothing at all. At this point, I wasn't sure I liked the yellow wash in the background. So I went to the layer with the yellow wash background and clicked on the eye to make the layer invisible. Then I created a new layer above the yellow. One of the nice things about digital painting is that you can turn off a layer. You can't do that in real painting. So I thought I would try a nice blue wash and see if I liked that better. And for the finishing touch, I decided to put a tiny vein in each leaf, using the vector, basic round, and the color, black. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.